Namaste people. So in this last video, we're going to see how to delete the whole table itself. So let's see and let's create a function for that. Public, it will return a void and it will be called delete table. And we'll need a connection object, as of course as always, and then we'll need the table name, the table which we want to delete. Again, we need a statement and we'll only declare it and not initialize it. A try catch block, to catch any exceptions, print the exception if they come. Now in this we need to have a query. We'll use a formatter, so the syntax will be drop table and then the table name percentage, which will be what did I name it here? Oh, right, that's good. Now we need to create a statement, initialize a statement, which will be using create statement and then statement dot execute update the query, and then we'll just print out table deleted, right? So let's see if this works. We can comment both of these out. We need to delete the whole table. We'll need the connection object and then we'll need the name, right? So let's try this. So the table has been deleted. Let's just check it once. We can go to a PG admin and we can refresh this. Yeah, as you can see, there is no table now, so it has successfully been deleted. So here ends our series on the CRUD application for Java and PostGreSQL in 2021. If you like this series, if you like how I teach, or if you have any feedback, please comment down below and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.